Good morning, this is TJ from Fat Boy's Garden. We had a storm that came through last night, a heavy duty windstorm, and I didn't expect to see this morning. So hopefully my plants will be salvaged. The only one that I'm really concerned about is that one right there, because the branches are actually bent and broken. So that's really the only one I'm really concerned about. Looks like all of the rest of them kind of survived it. And this one here just started to bear fruit. So I'm sure that this is going to be okay. And to show you what kind of alerted me this morning, I got up and I looked at my corn and I said, whoa, what is going on with my corn? And I remember that storm coming through last night. So I'm hoping that my corn survives, because it's all bent over. And these are my collard green plants. You know, they're kind of wind blown as well. So I'm not sure what's going to come of that. And then the other thing that I seen was over here. And this, I'm not sure what's going to be the outcome. These were my tomato plants, and they are just completely destroyed. Completely destroyed. So I'm not sure what's going to happen here. One plant is completely out of the ground. The other three broke up and bent over. But here's the other thing that I noticed. And this is not good. This is my next door neighbor's yard. And this is a tree. Looks like the top part of that tree there broke off and fell right down into his yard. So I'm gonna do the neighborly thing, and I'm gonna offer to help him get it all cleaned up, take it out to the street. And I think that's a neighborly thing to do. So I'm gonna go over there. He doesn't speak English, so I'm gonna have to hope to catch one of his kids that do speak English and let them know that, you know, I understand that, you know, that's my tree and it fell, and I know the insurance company isn't going to pay for any of that to be removed out of his yard. He would have to call his own insurance company. So that's why I'm gonna do the neighborly thing and go over there and help him. The top part of my garden actually did not get disturbed at all. A couple of tomato plants that are leaning, but they've been leaning anyway. So the top garden didn't really get any damage at all. I'm just really concerned about my tomato plants and whether or not they're gonna survive it. And oh man, I didn't see this. These are my pepper plants that are blown over. I mean, when I tell you that wind was blowing strong last night, that wind was really blowing. And that one there has the roots coming up. So we're gonna see if my garden survives it. This is TJ from Fat Boy's Garden, just showing you my devastation from last night.